What's going on, and welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today I'm going to show you how to change the intake manifold gasket on your first gen Scion XB. Now in my previous video I showed you how to change the gasket on your throttle body, so you are going to have to take that off as well, but this one's a little bit trickier because of the coolant hoses. So you're not going to be able to completely take off the intake manifold, but you'll be able to move it enough to change the gasket. So let's get to it. Alright, so before you get started, you're going to need two sockets, a 10mm and a 12mm. The 12mm socket is going to be used for the 3 bolts here on the intake, 1, 2, 3, and the 10mm is going to be used for the 4 nuts that are on the intake, one down here, 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 and there. And these two here will hold the harness, so you can move that out of the way. You're also going to have to unclip the hoses here on the throttle body, this one here on the intake, and then also you're just going to have to take out your oil dipstick. That way you can maneuver the intake out and down. Also, you're going to have to watch out for this coolant hose here. And on my previous video I was able to show you how to take the throttle body, so that may help as well if you unbolt that. So now that we've taken the intake manifold off, I'm going to clean it up, put the new gasket, and seal it back in. Well, there you go. We changed the intake manifold gasket on your first gen Scion XB. Now, it's not too hard, but it is good maintenance. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.